Now I'm going to discuss a study paper, second shift, 22nd January, right? So here, student, this is one important information. Students, Philippines is a Prime Minister Pan India. Those always eager to help entire students community, Pan India. So students, this one going to start online tuitions. I'll be live. Also, I can say on the day, student, that is Sunday, 12 o'clock. I'll teach students fluid mechanics. It's, I can say, major request by students. So students, you can contact Physics Point for further update. So student, what is the things you can connect over your queries? You can send your queries via mail b.sarma9219 @ gmail.com. So now students, I'm going to start discussion of 22nd January shift 1 paper, right? Okay, yes, Shreyans. Yes, Shreyans. Very good. Very good student. So 22nd Shreyans, on the day, I can see 22nd afternoon students, 12:30. I'll start. Yes, Sunday. Sunday is my physics. They just complete, Peter. Okay, so now Shreyans, students, I'm going to start discussion of 22nd January, Peter, because study I was too, I got too much delay. Yes. I'll take your class. Don't worry, beta. So now, students, due to this study, I couldn't upload, like, say, solve a live solution of this question. So now, students, I'm going to solve entire discussion of, I can say, 22nd January, a study paper, student. This is a study paper, second shift. Students, have a look, students. What's the first question? Students, Shreyans, question one from 11th class, right? Or I can say maybe you are not much aware about dimensions. So have a look, students, one gravitation chapter. Okay, students, I'll start gravitation. Don't worry. Don't worry, beta. Shreyans, I'll start according to you only, student. So, beta, what say? This is point dimensions of the expression. Students, what is the dimensions mentioned over here? Yes, Shreyans, student, it's easy. So, what here I can say dimension is we have to find this one epsilon net. This is E upon T, where epsilon net is what permittivity of free space, E is beta what electric field, and T is what you can see beta it's a time. T is what my dear time already mentioned over here also. Do one thing, beta. You can do maybe I can see Shreyans, you are in 11th class, beta. Little things I'm telling you, sir. I don't know the formula. Yes. I'm telling you, students. I'm telling my dear. No, beta. This is electric flux. Electric flux, students. You can write this is epsilon. I can see beta electric field. Electric field into dA vector is what, students? This is you can say Q enclosed upon epsilon net. Simply, beta, you can use over here formula. This is formula, students. Shreyans, E into A is equals to what, beta? Q enclosed upon epsilon net. Beta ji, what we wish to find? Epsilon net into E. Beta, we wish to find the epsilon net into E. Beta, just do cross multiply, Shreyans. Then beta, this is epsilon net into A, epsilon net into beta E is equals to what you can write? Q enclosed upon area, beta. Sir, this formula, yes, student, this formula from 12th class, electrostatic system. 12th class, I'll start Shreyans. I can say first week of March, beta. 12th class, I'll start early, bacha. First week of March. This is beta. I can put this value over there. This is what charge enclosed by area. So you will never feel Shreyans like online offline classes. I'll be very slow. Here maybe I'll be fast because it's a solution of questions only. But in classes I'll be smoothly so that you can understand the students. Now students, I can say yes. But first week of March I'll start a student. I'll start 12th class first week of March. Entire beta now onwards, I'll just continue. First students, I can say 11th class. 11th class is majorly first we'll improve 11th class so that we can easily enjoy 12th class students. Now beta already we found epsilon net into E. Q enclosed by area beta. You can feed over there. So this is students, you can say Q upon A. A is what? Area into beta G time. Now beta you can write students, I can say step 1. This is 2, my dear. Students, this is what? I can see step number 3. Beta, I hope all of you remember here. Current is what, beta? This is charge per unit time. Beta, Q is nothing but it's charge. So, students, you can write charge is equals to what? Ampere into time. What beta party? Ampere into time beta. So here you can write beta G. Charge is what? Ampere into time. It's ampere beta. Don't say A and A cancel beta. It's very, but I can see foolish in the paper hall. It's area beta. Area what you can write dimension. This is meter square time. You can say beta G. This time cancel. Finally, students, I'm writing everyone here. What is the answer of the question? This is step 4 beta. So this is what you can say ampere. Ampere beta, always you can write answer in terms of the square bracket. Ampere beta, and what's the length meter? I hope all of you remember. So you can say ampere L to the power minus 2. Hence, student, option C is correct. Hence, beta ji, option C is correct. Now, beta ji, just have a look next here. What's the question next, student? I can say, beta, Sriyan, this is question from 11th class, right? This question again from 11th class. First, I'll go slowly. Then I'll teach entire 11th class. In an organ pipe, third and sixth harmonic. Students, strongly I suggested everyone. In fact, I gave short trick. Students, in fact, I gave short trick to, I can say, all students, right? What I gave short trick to students, you can just remember everyone here, those going to write, maybe will go to write J means coming paper. So it's helpful for you. But I short trick here, I'm telling you here only. The students, you can convert for your basic sense here. Easy. Node beta, you can convert to this is what here? Open. This is what? You can say open organ pipe. What beta is the open organ pipe? Node beta ji. Students, you can say this is anti-node beta. This is, you can write, what my dear? Close organ pipe. Very simple. Students, here I'm going to give you what is the basics formula. What is the students? I can say basics formula for this job. I can say beta, all of you maybe remember F is equals to what? V upon 12. What beta ji? I hope all of you remember. F is what beta? Tell me everyone. What is formula of F beta? What is I'm telling beta, this is node formula for general students. F is equals to its beta frequency. This is what? N times. This is the velocity of sound. I can say beta particle. Upon bacha ji 12. It's a general formula, student. Sir, today is Saraswati Puja. S. Happy Saraswati Puja, Sriyansh. YouTube beta, happy Saraswati Puja. Beta, you can say this is what frequency beta NV upon 12, right? This is just one question literally very easy. It's not a tough questions. What's in the question student already given? Frequency differ. Frequency differ by what? 32 hertz. Beta, you can say organ frequency of third and sixth harmonic is equals to what? You can say 3200. So student, you can write over here. This is what? F6. But F6, it has mentioned sixth harmonic. Minus student, this is what? You can say F3 is equals to what? You can write here 32 hertz. F beta formula you can use from here beta ji. And you can put initially 6 because for 6 harmonic. So beta, I'll write here separately for your understanding. This is what beta you can say 6 V by 12. Beta, you can say this is what 3 V by L F6. F3 beta, what you can say? This is 3 V by 12. So this is what beta 3V by 12. Students, I'll use this one. Just calculate further students, right? So F6 is what a student? You can see this is 3V by L minus beta G 3V by 12. This is what 3200 hertz. Now beta I can say this is what 3 to the 6. 6 minus 3, 3 beta. What you will get student? This is 3V by 12 is equals to 3200. Student already mentioned here sound velocity. Student already mentioned over here. That is what my dear. This is the sound velocity beta. What you can say? Beta this is what? Chill bacha party. Can you see this is what 6400? V beta I can write this is 6400 upon beta g 3V. Sorry, what we wish to find? We wish to find length here. This is wrong. We wish to find length beta party. So what you can say here? Students, it's a study exam student, 22nd January, second shift beta. Second shift, who asked maybe. Then bacha, you can see bacha, this is 3 V beta, how much mentioned? 322 into L beta. This is 3200. Now beta I can say this is what 10 times cancel. So this is what beta I can say 20 by 3. This is what beta ji maybe I did wrong here. This is 20L. This is 20L is equals to 3 beta. So you can say L is equals to what? 3 by 20. Approximately beta I will get this is a 0.15 meter. But answer is not in meter. Answer is student not in meter, in centimeter. So what you can say? Bombay is correct answer. 15 meter. That beta 15 centimeter here. Nice students. Have a look next question. This is students Shiran's questions from 12th class. So what's the student this question here? This is A and B. No, beta, this is simple for it's the easiest way you can understand. I think those are in 11th class. Beta, it's simple. You can treat as a G. No, beta, it's a what? Simple. I can say look like this gate look like this. So you can say this is D. You know, beta, what is sorted for this question here? D for the student, you can say this is dot. You will get this kind of sorted at physics point only by BK Sir. D beta what you can say dot. So whatever anywhere you will get now this kind of logic, then you can say this is what multiplication of input A into B. So here student you will get my dear, here students you will get this is what A into B. Right, A into B beta, simple. Beta, this is OR gate. What is the meaning of OR gate beta G? If anywhere, if you are getting my dear OR gate, so this is simple student. What you can say, this is what? Basically A plus B. It's addition. It's a addition beta. It's a, I can say OR gate beta summation. D for dot multiplication. So input AB beta, you will get over here what? AB will get as usual. Now, students, you can get this is what summation only. What my dear, this is no anything but a dot. Simple, you can add C plus D. This is C plus D beta. I can say input over here. For this logic gate, we are getting output as C plus D. This output acts as a for here. This is what input only. Students, anywhere if you are crossing dot, right? Then this is what you can say bar. So what you can write, my dear, over here. Finally, this is A and B. You can put over there A dot B bar. Complete. A dot B bar. Just now I said beta G. This is for dot. Anywhere you will see in the logic this kind of shape, then you can say dot product. This is AND gate. This is what? AND gate, my dear. So here what you will get? This is simplification. I'll do beta here only. So what you can say A dot B bar dot. What beta we can say? C plus D. Now this is students, I can say input over here, but again this will cross. If this entire term students again will cross, then what you can say? This is A dot B dot beta G. C plus B. This is bar. And here beta what indicate? This is double bar. So this will nullify. Beta, anywhere you are getting double bar, so you can see this is what cancel each other. So students, you can write this is what simple A dot B plus beta. This is a Boolean mathematics. This is what dear you can say Boolean mathematics. So what beta finally you can write here? Suppose to write this question is student. This is finally you can say bacha A dot B. This is the entire bar beta ji. A dot B plus beta C bar beta. This is what we can see dot get here. Right, maybe there is something changes. C bar plus D bar beta. So this is I can see for the question. This is remains dot only. This is dot. What is any option is there? A dot B bar. No, this is a possibility. This is again maybe beta. There is no option at all. There is no option at all. There is no option at all. I can say C plus D. Okay, this is missing from my side. Yes, beta. This is C plus D. This is C plus D beta. So I can say option D is correct. If memorable question is maybe there is left right as possible. Student, this question from 11th class. Student, this question from 11th class and literally beta, it's a very I can say application of very basic skills of rotation. This is what student you can say rotation chapter from rotation only, right? I can say, bacha, for this question, two balls of masses 2m and m. Now, students, you can there are two balls. This mass is 2m. This mass is m. I'll write a little so that you can understand. This is 2m, my dear. Sir, I don't know rotation chapter. Okay, I'll go slowly, bacha. I'll go slowly. No, physics part, I'm not giving only solution, student. I'll go slowly so that you can understand. Okay, till center of mass. Okay, fine. Don't worry, beta. It will, your physics will improve. Don't worry. Now, bacha, you can say, what's the question, beta? Two balls